Alright guys, we're in my new car. I don't know if you can recognize what it is from the current view, but I'll give you a hint here.
Headlights go up.
So this is my 1995 Mazda Miata. It's got a 1.8 liter engine, so that's the bigger one that they had. It's got a Torsen rear end with 410 gear, I think. So the Torsen is the screw type or the worm type or the gear type, whatever you want to call it, limited slip differential. It's not a clutch pack differential. So it's got a lot more, I don't know how to say it. It doesn't have any wear parts, for one, and I believe it's the better one, mainly because you can go around turns and it doesn't just try to keep the wheels straight. It allows them to differentiate. Except for when there's a torque bias. So, pretty nice. So, a lot of people like to post videos about, hey, I just bought this car. I'll pick a nice sunny day to do it. Today's not a sunny day, but it's my day off. And Miatas are a lot of fun in the rain, as long as you can stay a little bit tame. And so that's what we're going to do today. Now, unfortunately, there's not a whole lot of like twisty, windy country roads. You know, it's pretty urbanized, unlike where I'm from and where I went to school. So it's kind of hard to find nice driving roads around here. It kind of sucks. But there is one thing that I do know of. It's a large abandoned parking lot, which also has a large, even larger gravel lot.
So like I said, 95 Miata. Not really much done to it. It was real stock, which is something I liked. I bought it for $17.50, which I thought was a steal of a deal. It's got a top that's new within the last year. It's off of an NB Miata. It's got these aftermarket wheels, which I kind of like. I think I'm going to paint them like a gunmetal gray color. Tires they have good tread on them. They're a little bit old. The paint's not in the greatest of shape. It looks fine here because it's all wet, but in reality this thing is real faded. You can't really tell here, but this is all peeling, and obviously the bumper is totally faded. Got my license plate on there. I'm Alex because, well, that's my name, and matches the 4Runner, which, you know, is actually spelled correctly. And you know, let's look on the inside here. This car was in real nice shape. Interior was real clean. You can see it's a little bit dirty now just because I've been driving it, but has original floor mats, I guess, and the seats are not torn or anything. It's got AC power steering. AC doesn't work, but I'd like to fix that. It's got the Mazda Miata additional lights there. Cruise control works. I had to fix it. I had to lube the speedometer cable. So that's basically the real quick of the car. Everything else is pretty standard for Miata, so let's have some fun. That's some good clean fun. Muddy Miata. Yeah. So that's the thing. If you love your car too much, you can't have fun with it. Now, I'm not saying I don't love this car, because this car is freaking awesome, but it's not my baby. So that just means that I get to enjoy it more than anybody else that babies their car. So I think it's pretty cool.